As recovery efforts continue across Central Florida, communities are slowly trying to get back to normal. But for one area of Seminole County, it'll take just a bit longer. Channel 9's Giovanni Diaz is live in Altamonte Springs for us this morning. And Gio, that community is hoping they'll avoid the rain for a long time.
Yeah, Sam, and that's because it is still flooded here even after days after Hurricane Milton passed through this area. The river here is going to take some time until it goes back to normal. In the meantime, this is what the street looks like.
Start seeing the reflection of the water. I'm like, yeah, it's coming in now.
As Hurricane Milton tore through Central Florida, homes across parts of Seminole County were left like this, underwater.
It was unreal to just see the house like that. That's where I grew up.
This resident from Spring Oaks and Altamonte Springs tried.
Putting up sandbags. We still have a couple of sandbags to put up, but we've done the sandbags all around.
But the water levels of the Little Wekiva River rose so fast that the neighbors did not even have time to act.
How quickly did the water come up? Fast. Yeah, like within an hour.
This home took on 14 inches of water during Hurricane Ian and also faced severe damage from Hurricane Irma. Now, with Milton, the place was flooded once again.
Definitely mind-blowing. Wonder what the next step is, huh?
And according to the city, this area is naturally prone to flooding.
There's a large drop in topography from where the water comes into Seminole County and here. So the water picks up velocity.
So the river needs to drain naturally. It's supposed to go down by ½ an inch a day. So that means it could take up to weeks until this community has some sort of normalcy back here. Reporting live in Seminole County, I'm Giovanni Diaz, Channel 9 Eyewitness News. Sam?